The start of day 11 brought an incredible sight that these city eyes are not used to seeing.
Are they coming? I'm about to be swarmed. I can't wait. That was amazing. Good job. That is a happy dog. Hey, Clark, want to be in our video?
Sure.
Yay, buddy Clark joined us. Yay,
Hey.
Clark.
We just had a crossing of the sheep. Yeah. A lamb stampede.
And the dogs had it all under control the whole time.
A little gift, morning gift. This morning we're going to Los Arcos. India.
Wow.
Buen camino.
It's going to be about a 13-kilometer walk for us. Once we get there, we'll finally get a new drone propeller. We got all the information from our friend at the drone school, and then we ordered it online, and it ended up here in Los Arcos. Good. ¿Tiene un paquete? Sí. Peter. Here it is. Wow. So I was just looking back through my notes, and it was last Wednesday. We were walking from Zubiri to Zabaldika, flying out over the waterfall, and something happened to the drone. I lost a chunk of rotor blade. I don't know if static electricity would do that. So in Pamplona, we thought we could find them, and couldn't find them anywhere. So there was a drone school, and they suggested a website with the affiliate of DJI. We could order it, ship it ahead.
It is like 7:30 in the morning. Most everyone's cleared out of the hostel. And Peter, well, what are you doing?
I am ordering a drone repeller because they don't have them other than in the big cities. So we're just going to order it a few days ahead to one of the albergues, and hopefully that works out. So we did. We ordered it, and it went to Villa Tuerta. And unfortunately, we passed that because of the weekend. And then, so it was posted to one city and then shipped ahead to here we are in Los Arcos. And it arrived. So from last Wednesday, today is Tuesday, and we have the propellers. It was just Kristen's birthday, but I sure do feel like it's my birthday. They wrapped this good. Ta-ta-da-da.
Wow.
There's a ton of engineering, but maybe at 30 cents of plastic or something that it fits. So big thanks to Casa Magica, who sent some swag ahead with the drone propellers.
Not far from where we sat in Santa Maria Square is the Church of Santa Maria of Los Arcos. Its construction began at the end of the 12th century, a time when this pilgrimage to Santiago was very popular. The second half of our day should be pretty easy.
I think face detection should work on praying mantises. Hey, little buddy. Buen camino.
Our efforts to document all angles of this Camino have been saved thanks to some kind-hearted people who were willing to help these desperate pilgrims. Now, Peter has a fresh pair of rotor blades to fly and a vast amount of Spanish countryside to capture.